Hello everyone, I am Kajal Dhiman, student of MCA third year from IIPS DAVV. Today I am going to discuss about the important topic of Unix, that is men browsing the manual page online. So all said and done, the syntax of some Unix command can still be confusing even to the expert. You may not remember either the command or the required option that will perform a specific job. This is quite understandable considering that there are several hundred commands in bin and user bin and any Unix systems around 600 solidis. So Unix offer an online help facility in the main command. Man display the documentation, often called the man documentation, of practically of every command on the system. Example, to seek help on the WC command, simply run man with WC as argument. Man command in Linux is used to display the user manual of any command that we can run on the terminal. Next, it provides a detailed view of the command which include name, synopsis, descriptions, option, exist status, return values, errors, file versions, example, authors, and see also. Next, by default, man typically uses a terminal pager program such as more less to display its output. In the first 2 years of the history of Unix, no documentation existed. The Unix programmer manual was first published on 3 November 1971. The first actual man pages were written by Dennis Ritchie and Ken Thompson at the insistence of their manager Doc McClory in 1971. Next, so this is a man browsing the manual page online, and now I am going to explain about some important question. So first one is, a file contains 1026 bytes. How many bytes of disk space will it occupy on a system? The size of a disk block is 1024 bytes. Now I am going to explain this. It will take one 2048 bytes. Because the data in the file existed the capacity range of one block, it occupies some space in one more block, and since the operating system cannot allot less than a block to any data, doesn't matter how small the data is, it allot it to complete block. Now, and as given the size of the signal block is 10254 bytes, to block will cover 2048 bytes. Now second one is, where are the UID and GID of a file stored? Explanation: the UID and GID of a file is stored in etc and password. Unix like operating system identify a user by a value called a user identifier, UID. Unix like operating system identify group by group identifier, GID, are used to determine which system resource a user or group can access. Next, a UID, user identifier, is a number assigned by Unix to each user on the system. Next, this number is used to identify the user to the system and to determine which system resource the user can access. So UID 0 is reserved for the root. UIDs 1 to 99 are reserved for the predefined accounts. UID 100 to 999 are reserved by system for administrative and system account groups. UID 1000 to 10,000 are occupied by applications account. UID 10,000 plus are used for user account. Now, next one is GID. Group in Linux are defined by GIDs, group IDs. GID 0 is reserved for the root group. GID 1 to 99 are reserved for the system and application use. GID 100 plus allocated for the user group. Next one is show the octal representation of this permission. So first one is RWXR dash XRW dash. Second RW dash R dash 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 dash. Third one is dash X dash WR dash dash. Now I am going to explain this. The answer in octal number will be first one is 756, second one is 640, and third one is 124. Every file and directories has an owned and associated Linux group and a set of permission flag. And the specify separate read, write, and execute permission for the user on a group at others. Next, what will the permission string look like this octal values? First one is 567, second is 623, third is 421. Now I am going to explain this. The answer in octal number will be first one is 567, so R dash X R W dash X R W. Second 623. Now answer is R W dash W dash dash WX. Third 421. Answer is R dash dash W dash X. This symbol has the following meanings. Now I am going to explain the meaning of symbols. Dash flag is not set. Next R file is readable. W file is writable. For directories file may be created or removed. X file is executable. For directories file may be listened. As set group IDs for directories file created therein will be associated with the same group as the directory rather than default group of the user. Subdirectories created therein will not only have the same group but will also inherit the setting. Now if a file permission are 000, can the super user still read and write the file? So he can read but not write unless he changes the permission. To change permission, he need to use change command, change mode command. The change mode command is used to change the permission flag to existing file. It can be applied using the -R option. It can be invoked with either octal value representing the permission flag or with symbolic representation of the flag. The octal value have the following meaning. This is a table. First column represent octal digit. Middle column represent binary representation of RWX, and third column represent permission as shown in the following table. So, thank you. I hope you understand. Please watch this video, like this video, and share, comment. Thank you so much. I hope you understand and like this video. Thank you.